Thank you for the tow. Our lifesaver. We would be like under the sink sleeping here. Nice job, Craig.
The captain says, how's our gas looking? And we have a boating
Here, Vicky, will you film Craig and I? It's a video. It's just.
Oh, gotcha.
Craig, what do you have to say to the captain?
Your captain said, how's the gas looking?
It says E.
This captain, boat bitch.
It's called electrolysis. Hey, Craig, does that light on right there mean low fuel?
It actually means we have no fuel.
No to no.
More gas! Vicky, more gas! Give it to it!
One more round. Look at that. Gray cloud.
Get a picture of that.
These are boating memories,
Craig,
kids.
how fast are we going now?
The speedometer is actually broken. More boating! Get out there, give it to it!
I love getting the bolts of lightning on this video, by the way.
It's a bit windy for y'all here.
Arrgh.
More pirates!
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we are out in this. This is horrible.
And it's pretty windy.
Yeah, oh look guys, it all broke up. We have plenty of time now.
Beautiful weather. Wait a minute. Again for Jill's. Boy, it's so much nicer. Nobody's out here.
No one to tow us.
No one to tow us.
I really, even better. Don't mind that tornado over there.
Gonna need to get you a mayday out here.
Yeah, and we can't get the Ranger because we're expired.
Any chance?
Oh yeah, your tags are expired and you don't have life jackets.
I got life jackets.
Oh, because my sister brought
I
them.
got the orange ones.
Oh, I see you're kayaking out here.
Yes.
And you've been
the
drinking.
world's largest kayak, sir.
Alright, that was a great bolt of lightning. I'll leave it at that. Wow, this is such a pretty
Any
picture.
more Facebook?